Hi friends, I am Dr. Supreet Chopra. I am a cardiothoracic surgeon and today is World Heart Day. So today on this occasion of World Heart Day, I would like to take this opportunity to make aware um, about the cardiovascular diseases that are existing in the world today. All of this while for many years we've always known that cardiovascular diseases were affecting women less than men, and it was mainly thought to be because of the high amount of estrogen levels, highest amount of estrogen hormones in the body of women. Today, with the recent update of American Heart Association, the current statistics are alarming, and it is now known for sure that cardiovascular diseases are the number one killer in the world. Even in women, cardiovascular diseases is the number one killer, as opposed to what was thought before, and that was cancer. No, it is not true now. Now, what is the reason behind it? The reason mainly is lifestyle. Lifestyle and the lifestyle associated diseases like diabetes and hypertension. There are a lot of people who are into smoking, tobacco chewing, having zarda, sedentary lifestyle, eating unhealthy, junk food. All of these things are risk factors for cardiovascular diseases. Now we know that cardiovascular diseases are the number one killer in the world today. 47% of women who have cardiovascular diseases have at least one risk factors in them. The good news now is that 80% of the cardiovascular diseases in us are preventable. Now, how can they be prevented? We have to do a lot of changes in our lifestyle. One is get up and start physical activity every day. At least 20 minutes is necessary for you to keep going 24/7, so that you have a healthy lifestyle which reduces the risk factors for cardiovascular diseases. Apart from that, people who have diabetes and hypertension have to have regular follow-up with their doctor so that they keep the blood pressure and sugar in check. Number one. Number two is there are complications that are happening inside the body which we are not aware of. They can be caught only during regular follow-ups with the doctor. Now, who are those people who are at risk? In females, like I said before, there are a lot of women who are smoking, having tobacco, chewing tobacco and having gutka and zarda. Apart from that, perimenopausal women are more prone to having cardiovascular diseases. Females who have had hypertension or high blood sugar during their pregnancy or during delivery, or who have had a complicated delivery, they are the females who are at a high risk for cardiovascular diseases. Now, in order to reduce the risk factors, we have to make sure that we have a healthy lifestyle by having good physical activity, eating nutritious food which is rich in fiber, protein and essential fatty acids, polyunsaturated fatty acid, monounsaturated fatty acids. Avoid saturated fatty acids. Now, what are polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fatty acids? They are the fatty acids which are present in nuts like almonds, cashews and other dry fruits, chia seeds, sunflower seeds and flax seeds. Reduce stress in your life, or at least if you are not able to reduce stress in your life, learn to deal with it. If you are not aware of how to deal with your stress, take professional help. Avoid smoking, tobacco chewing. Keep your BMI between 18.5 to 24.9. Keep your waistline below 35 inches. BP and sugar should be on a regular check with with a follow-up with your doctor. And if required, please, I request you to take professional help with your cardiologist or a cardiac doctor.